How to change friend's name on Snapchat. First of all, open Snapchat app. Make sure to log in on your Snapchat account and then select the chats icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will get access to your chat section where you want to locate the friends that you want to change the name of. You simply need to tap and hold the friend's name and then select Manage Friendship option. Here you will see the list of different options. Simply select Edit Name option and you need to delete this entire name if you wish to, and you can easily change the other name and set another name for this person. So once you have edited the name, you can tap on Save button and tap on Done. As you can see that we already have changed the name of the person or user on Snapchat. So that is how we easily change the friend's name on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel.